Hi, conscious folks. My name is Tiffany Mariol, or Tiffany Shelton Mariol. I just got married. And I wanted to come on and make a video with 3 tips about how to make meditation easier. These are things that can just make the practice of meditation easier for you. And I'll just jump right into them. The first one is to try to get some, if you have problems sitting still, is to try to get some exercise in before meditating, just to calm the body, relax the body. Yoga is actually created so we can sit and meditate. So it's a good practice to have before you meditate. Actually, it can help you if you have a lot of restlessness or fidgetiness when you're meditating, or if you just want to do some cardio, and then it helps your mind kind of go into meditation easier. The second tip is to create a sacred space. So this helps you create containment for your meditation practice. It creates a home for your meditation practice so you come back to it. But also when you sit in it, your mind associates with this space with meditation, so it more easily goes there when you sit down. So a sacred space can include your meditation cushion, and if you're looking for a modern meditation cushion, I'll link my store below. It can include incense, plants, any type of nature, any type of smell like diffusers to create that space. You can have an altar with crystals and sage. You can just create a space for your practice. You can have your Bible or sacred text that you like to read, or a book that you're reading for your spiritual growth. And I have a video on how to create a sacred space, and I'll also link that below. And it teaches you how to create a sacred space even if you have a small apartment or a small space or a corner to put it in. And then the third tip is tools. So use things like mala beads, singing bowls, chimes, nature music, and even apps like the Insight Timer, which is a free app, Insight Timer, where you can get guided meditations, you can get nature sounds, music sounds. It can just act as a timer for your practice. So use tools that are at your disposal. What's wrong with me? And don't be afraid to have aids to your practice that can just help you get in the zone. So I hope these tips help you in your meditation practice, and let me know if you have any other questions you want me to answer about making meditation easier. Thanks for watching. Namaste.